Sunday and I'm here at this beautiful office. I've designed this office during the pandemic, and some of the material that we've specified for the job has been back ordered, or they're not in stock and it's taking longer than expected to get in stock. The office is still under construction. However, a lot of things has been done. For example, this area just beside me is a kitchen area. I added these pendants. This is a gorgeous backsplash behind it for just a little pop. I changed the handles to be gold, so it pops over this metallic sort of a cabinetry that was here already, and added this TV behind me, and the fireplace unit, as you can see, is a three-sided fireplace. It's looking gorgeous. We ordered all the furniture. They're here, and we just need to place them nicely. The reception desk is not here yet. However, the back wall is done and we need to have a wallpaper right there. And the wallpaper has been back ordered and I need to change it. I have two options right now that we checked the stock is good. One would be that gold one, and the other one, it has a grayish blue, which is the tone that is right now in a carpet as well. When I'm far away, if you can imagine this whole wall, if be that color, it seems like the floor kind of went through the wall, and then you will have your logo. The logo will pop like crazy. If you do the gold ones, like that one, the gold is gonna be on top, so it's gonna be a lot of gold, but however the gold won't pop so crazy. I like this option. To me, is more luxury. Anyway, I have to go back to the office. There are so many things need to get done, and before the start of the week, that's gonna be Monday. This week gonna be insanely busy, and who knew entrepreneurship is not easy. Today was such a crazy day. It's cold, windy, and at one point I think it was snowing outside. Right now it's raining, but it still is very, very cold. Anyway, it's about 4 p.m. now, and I finished my meetings with my clients. I had two meetings, one for a bakery called Angus Tea, which going to open at Park Row South, and I'm very excited for that. And the other one was for a full renovation of a townhouse that I'm working on, and we are in the middle of construction for both of the projects. So these meetings were just to review and finalize all the details in design. Even we actually, to rephrase this, even we finalize the design, still as you progress, there might be some adjustment and there might be some changes required based on the renovation when you open the walls, or maybe the client saw something that they like to incorporate in their design. So all those little details, and I took all the notes that I needed and all the adjustment that needed to get done, and all those gonna go on a paper on my drawing and then need to get sent to the contractors. So that's gonna be quite a bit of work that I'm gonna work on right now, answer a few emails. It's gonna be a busy day. Good morning. Today's Tuesday and I'm heading down to the office. It's going to be very busy and productive day as always. We're going to work on different projects, tackle a lot of projects and details. Interior design in general, it's a very rewarding job. Like, it has so much detail, and you really need to work hard to get everything done properly and make sure everything is perfect. But it is very rewarding at the end when the project gets done and the client is happy and everybody else is happy, and you see the result of your creation, and you see the result of all those thinking and all those hard work. It just pays off. It's beautiful, it's challenging, it has so much details that you cannot even believe. I'm here at this job site. There are few things that needs to get done here. One is I'm just going to check to see how is the millwork installation going. There are a few things has been installed and there is ongoing installation happening, so I'm going to check on those, as well as there is a drop ceiling that's going to be right on top of the dining area, and we already decide on the position of it on a drawing, but I'm just gonna double check it in the space, because sometimes you look at everything in a space and it just feels different, and sometimes at the last minute I do 1 inch here and there adjustment before the installation, so everything is perfect, and that's what I'm gonna do today. Everything else looks great here. After that, I'm just gonna head back to the office and continue working. Let me show you this bathroom. I really love the tile that I chose, and you will see this later on, but as you walk in, take a look at that. It's just gorgeous. And I want to show you actually the shower fixtures. The shower fixtures are beautiful. We have hand shower, and I have a shower head right there, and the actual faucet right here with just a little piece of black. It looks stunning, and I made this bathroom to be a very kind of a medium to dark blue to go with basically the color of the tile, and kind of pull everything together. It's looking gorgeous. I love it. So my goal is to show you all the behind the scene as much as possible. That's the challenge that I have, and for me, just taking videos from what's happening in a week, it was just an idea, but I'm hoping that you guys like it. I'm hoping that you guys like this sort of an idea of seeing behind the scene and seeing behind the projects. So I got back to the office, and we are sitting with Ellie looking at this drawing and just see what exactly she did, and yeah, just overlooking the drawing and making sure everything is good. This is for another project. So from one project we're jumping to another one, and then I'm jumping to another one. Yeah. It's crazy. Anyway guys, so we get back to work. Such a productive day, guys. So it's almost the end of the day, and I'm going to leave the office soon. Tomorrow I'm planning to go to Okanagan, because we have another branch in Osoyoos, and we're doing a few projects over there, so I need to visit job sites, and I need to talk with the clients. So tomorrow gonna be traveling day, so yeah, stay with me. I just need to fill up the gas, and we're gonna go to Osoyoos. It's gonna be about 4.5 to 5 hours drive. The gas price is $1.92. It's crazy. It's going up every day. I usually take Bella and Ace with me to Osoyoos, and usually they sit in a trunk and they get very excited because they think we're going somewhere very fun. so finally I'm here in Osoyoos, 5 hours of drive, and we are here. It is the afternoon. The crew were just leaving the house. The asbestos removal is happening, so we're not allowed to go inside. So as you can see, everything has been covered and we're not allowed to go inside. Everything is going to get removed from this house, guys, and it's going to be a whole house renovation. This house has the most beautiful view toward the lake, and it actually has the 180-degree view, and then right in front of it is kind of a vineyard, which is going to look beautiful in summer, and I cannot wait for you to see the whole thing. Anyway, we're not allowed to go in, but I am able to show you the view that they have in the backyard. Let's go and check it out. It's very windy today. Check out this, it's like a dream. All this part of the house gonna come out, like new railing, new back, new deck, everything here will change, and it's just gonna look stunning. My plan is to change this area as much as possible. The layout in the house is completely changing, which is awesome. The house is old, but you know what? After we renovate this house, it's gonna look brand new. It's gonna look awesome. It's beautiful because it is spring and it's just like the right temperature is about like almost like 9-10 degrees. It's chilly but not too cold. It's just awesome, just fresh. It feels the weather feels very fresh, and just look at this view. How beautiful is this view? This is stunning. I love it here. I love it here. So this is one of my projects here in Osoyoos. I have another one in Oliver, and I'm designing a hotel as well. So it's very busy here, and I cannot wait for you to see the whole thing. This is behind the scene, guys. Like, I'm always on the road, I'm always on the go, always working. It's just, you know, I thought it would be nice to show you what's going on behind the scene. There is a lot happening before we show you the final picture, and I know that final picture might look pretty, but there is a lot of work going behind it, and a lot of planning, designing, and really hard work. Good morning everyone. Beautiful day, chilly, but it's gorgeous, and I'm here for a run. Whew, I can't breathe. Anyway, it's gonna be a very busy day. Job visit, and then drawings, like same interior design stuff. But what is the best way to start a day? Then exercise. Honestly, your body feels fresh, your muscles are gonna wake up, and you're just gonna wake up. You'll feel amazing after. Let's finish this off. I'm in Oliver now, and the house that you can see behind me is my next project here. My client wishes for adding a detached garage and workshop, and in order to do that, I need to know where the property lines is. So the first step would be a site surveyor company comes here and do a survey for me, and we are in a stage of programming and site analysis, so that's a perfect time. And we are going to get a permit for a client for the detached garage addition as well as the whole house renovation, and I'm very excited for this project. This lot is huge and it has a lot of opportunity. I am in Sandu Nursery, and this nursery is located between Oliver and Osoyoos, and they have lots and lots of plants, and I'm designing a backyard for a client of mine, They have a lot of plants to choose from. There is an art in a landscape though. The height of the plants, the colors of the plants, the way you put them together, it all matters. So we're gonna take a look, see what they have, and then we're gonna purchase some plants. I got so many roses, different colors. I'm mixing red and yellow and kind of like basically I'm going from deep red to yellow, like that sort of thing. Guys, I am an expert in killing plants, and the only one in my home that survives is these air plants, and they last forever. They don't need any water. You just spray water like once a while is fine, and you can decorate with them. They're lovely. So guys, tomorrow I'm heading back to Vancouver, starting another crazy week. I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed this sort of a vlog style, and if you guys like it, seeing behind the scene, just let me know. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you guys like it or not. Definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.